Here is how to enable notifications on Slack. First, open the Slack app on your desktop or mobile. On desktop, click on your profile photo in the top left or in the bottom left. Then choose Preferences. In Preferences, choose Notifications. Now choose when you want to be notified for all messages, direct messages only, or customized for specific keywords or mentions. Scroll down to pick how your alerts, banners, sound, or both. You can also set notification schedules like only during work hours. On mobile, tap your profile picture, then Notifications, and toggle them on. Make sure your system level notifications are allowed in your phone settings, especially on iOS or Android. Bonus tip, turn on email notifications for messages when you're online, so you never miss them when offline. And that's it. You're now fully set to stay in the loop on Slack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.